Hey guys, welcome back to this channel, and today we are putting Elicit AI and Blaze AI head to head in 2025. One is built for research and productivity, the other is for blazing fast business execution. Which one should you choose? Let's find out. When we look at their main focus, Elicit AI focuses on research, automation, and productivity, while Blaze AI focuses on business workflows and sales productivity. When we look at ease of use, Elicit AI has a clean dashboard for researchers, while that of Blaze AI is intuitive and has team-focused interface. When we look at their AI strengths, Elicit AI has literature reviews, summarization, and data extraction, while Blaze AI has outreach automation, CRM insights, and lead generation. When we look at their pricing, Elicit AI has pre-basic plan plus premium plan, while Blaze AI is subscription-based and has business tiers. When we look at what or who they are best for, Elicit AI is best for students, analysts, and researchers, while Blaze AI is best for sales teams, entrepreneurs, and startups. Lastly, what kind of output do you expect? Elicit AI gives you reports and structured insights, while Blaze AI gives you action plans and automated campaigns. So in conclusion, Elicit AI is like your personal research assistant. It digs into papers, extracts key points, and saves you hours of analysis. Blaze AI, on the other hand, is like a business growth partner, automating outreach, helping teams close deals, and speeding up workflows. So if you need deeper research and academic productivity, stick with Elicit AI. But if your priority is faster business execution and sales growth, then Blaze AI is the way to go. So which one should you pick? Elicit AI or Blaze AI? Drop your answer in the comments, smash that like button, and subscribe for more smart comparisons right here. See you in the next one.